Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ranjit. I am a beginner in English. I am learning English step by step. I am not perfect, but I am trying my best. If you are also a beginner, this channel is for you. Why I started this channel? I want to tell you I started this channel because I want to improve my English. I know many people are like me. Together we will learn and grow. This channel is for English practice. I will learn English with you. We will learn basic English, simple words, daily use sentences and speaking practice. Mistakes is okay, but practice is important. Small step make big chance, guys. So we should practice daily in this way. And I want to tell you one thing: if we will make video in this way without hesitating, then definitely we will be improve one day. And I have read anywhere, if you wait for perfect conditions, you will never get anything done. So guys, you should practice daily. If you learn much more English, then stay connected with me. Thanks for joining me today, guys. If you haven't already, check out my English practice video. Let's keep learning together. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.